Urhere is the modern online rostering and time and attendance platform for any size business. I'm Chris, the owner of Double Shot Cafe, a multi-venue operation with nearly 50 staff. I completed my initial setup of Urhere using the quick sign up. Now I'm going to add more of my venues and employees. I'll start with adding a location. I go to My Business and select Platform Settings. Platform Settings has all the tools to configure Urhere to suit my business. On the Location, Work Areas and Roles tab, I can see a summary of all my existing locations. I can manage an existing location or click Add a new one. I'm going to add the Queen Street venue. I name the location and press Save. Now Queen Street is all set up. I can add my work areas and any specific roles. We manage our staff in the areas of floor, kitchen and barista. Urhere lets me customise my work areas, label and colour, making it easy to schedule and visualise staff coverage across the respective areas. Now I've added the 3 areas, I'm going to add waiter under floor. Done. That completes the setup of the Queen Street venue. I'm going to rename the other location to Central. Urhere puts me in control. I determine how many locations and if I have work areas and roles or not, and which employees are at each location. Returning to the schedule, I can now filter the view by one location or all, making it easy for managers to focus on their staff while still allowing me to oversee all my venues even when I'm on the go. Now I can add my Queen Street employee, starting with Kevin, our manager. Again, I go to My Business, this time select Employees. Here I can see a summary of all my existing employees and manage any level of detail for each of them. I select Add Employee. I add Kevin's details, name, email address, and create a password. As Kevin is responsible for the schedule at Queen Street, I'm appointing him as a manager. Otherwise, I can select General Employee. I can then allocate Kevin to the Queen Street location. And done. Once an employee is created in Urhere, I'm in control, able to add any level of detail and change their settings. By selecting General Employee Details and Edit, I can change an employee's kiosk PIN, change their system role, their personal details, their job title, and nominate work areas and roles. In other settings, I can define the employee type and set up their wages. Also add any digital documents to their profile and even delete an employee. So that completes how to configure locations and employees. Now you can sign up, start creating shifts in seconds, and take control of how you configure Urhere to suit your business.